What is that inside? What is happening in our times when I see a lot of young actors struggling to fit into the system, the demands of the system, without realizing that what do they want to offer? So that inside, your emotions, your stories, your feelings, your thinking, your capacity to perform, to act, to tell a story, that has not been explored. So they just want to say, I do bodybuilding and I will go and take a portfolio, and the portfolio, I look like this. Only external understanding of that self. Because what is apparent is very little. There's much more within. The idea of this workshop is to understand what lies within us and what do you work from. So we want to work with intuitive movement, we want to work with consciousness, we want to work with imagination, we want to work with emotions, we want to work and understand these emotions, we want to understand the language of emotions, we want to understand how speech works, and we'll be working a lot with improvisation, because improvisation demands engagement, it demands awareness, it demands attention.
But because I was wearing yellow.
Yellow is not very bad.
Oh, I know that.
You know that I will wear yellow.
Because I hate you too.
You hate me too.
Yes, I do.
We are not giving information, we are not giving ideas only, but we are also exploring ideas together. And together we will find what is in each one of us and where do we work from. This workshop doesn't focus on acting and audition and getting into films, but it also is aimed to strengthen people's life forces. You know, to have respect for minerals, for plants, for animals, for themselves, and in understanding that where does the actor, where does the participant stand in this whole cosmic dance, the universe? Where are you? And if you know that, and if you have that strength, you don't draw things from inside only. You draw from the universe inside you. So दोस्तों, अभी के लिए इतना ही, और मुझे पूरी उम्मीद है कि इस वर्कशॉप से आप पूरा मजा लेकर के घर लौटेंगे और थोड़ा सा कुछ खास भी अपने साथ लेकर के लौटेंगे, और वो yourself, a little bit of yourself. Those who have missed our workshop, please call us or mail us, and we will get in touch with you so that we can include you in our next workshops, and together we can explore new dimensions in performing arts. Thank you very much once again. Bye.